Give them rabbit meat. Former Education Minister Ronald Thwaites has called for several traditional protein sources to be replaced with the non-traditional meat. Mr. Thwaites was speaking during Tuesday's sitting of Parliament. Dwayne Anderson attended the sitting and filed this report.
By the time lawmakers are finished, the diet in public schools will have a totally different look and taste. Take the recommendation of former Education Minister Ronald Thwaites, for example. He wants the government to stop select imported meat from getting into public schools.
Mr. Speaker, I'm imploring the minister. He spoke about the very developed level of chicken meat production in Jamaica. We know that that is based upon foreign ingredients for the food. But, Mr. Minister, don't sign any more license for the chicken neck and back, sir. Stimulate the local industry in order to produce something that is going to enhance the protein.
So popular dishes like fried or jerk chicken neck and chicken back would be taken from the foil paper or plates of students. But what would Mr. Thwaites replace these meats with?
It is ironic that the tourists who come from Europe to Jamaica enjoy rabbit, yes? But we are reticent to use it as a staple. There are many things that if we are determined, we will be able to engage in this regard.
Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw also had a few proposals for what he thinks students could be eating. He brought samples of the products to Parliament to show the health and education ministers who are charting the government's policy on school diet.
Mr. Speaker, this is breadfruit flour. Made in Jamaica. Cassava flour. Made in Jamaica. And by the way, these locally produced flour from locally produced agricultural products. These, unlike regular imported flour, these are gluten-free. Gluten-free, so they are healthier for us.
And in a move many could interpret as a dig at the Diabetes Association of Jamaica chairman, Professor Errol Morrison, who was pushed back against the government's Less Sugar initiative, Shaw suggested that the papaya and mango fruits he's planning to grow hundreds of acres of be given to students as sugar substitutes.
Instead of giving them bag juice, sugar and water, fruit juice is better for our children. Naturally grown fruit juice in Jamaica is far better for our children than bag juice.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.